Hello students, this is your next video on the chapter whole numbers. In this video, I am going to teach you about subtraction in whole numbers. I have already taught you about the properties of addition in whole numbers. So, there were how many properties? The first property was closure property, second property was commutative property, third property was associative property. Now, in this video, I am going to teach you about those properties only, but these properties will be followed or not in subtraction. हम लोगों को ये चेक करना है कि वो सारी properties subtraction में follow होती हैं या नहीं. So the first property is closure property. So the closure property follows in subtraction or not. So if a and b are two whole numbers such that a is greater than b or a is equals to b, then a minus b is a whole number. Otherwise subtraction is not possible in whole numbers. यानी कि अगर कोई दो होल नंबर्स हैं आपके a एंड b, अगर a की वैल्यू b से ज़्यादा है एंड यू आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग लाइक दिस a माइनस b, देन द रिजल्ट c विल बी अ होल नंबर एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ a इज इक्वल्स टू b, then what happens? The answer will be 0. Then 0 is also a whole number. So only in these two cases the closure property follows, when the value of a is greater than b. For example, 6 minus 2 is 4. But what happens when the value of b is greater than a, like 2 minus 6? Then we get an integer. So this is not a whole number. So the property, closure property follows only in two cases, when the value of a is greater than b and when the value of a is equals to b. Right students? Now I am going to explain you about the second property. So the second property is commutative property. So we have to check that the commutative property follows in subtraction or not. Right? So what was the commutative property in addition? The commutative property in addition is a plus b is equals to b plus a. But in subtraction, a minus b, is it equals to b minus a? No, it is not equal. We will learn this by some examples. For example, 1 minus 2 is equals to 1 minus 2 is minus 1. But when you will do 2 minus 1, it is 1. So both the answers are not equal. If a is 6, b is 2. Here the answer is 4. But b is 2, a is 6, the answer is minus 4. So all the numbers are not equal. Both the results on the left hand side and the right hand side are not equal. That means commutative property do not follow in subtraction of whole numbers. Now I am going to teach you about the associative property. So please pay attention students. The associative property is, in addition it was a plus b plus c, it was equals to a plus b plus c. Now does it follow in subtraction also? We have to check it. हम लोगों को ये check करना है कि is it equal or not. I am not giving that equal to sign over here. We have to check it by examples. पहले हम लोग check करेंगे. Okay students. Now if a, b, c are any three whole numbers, then in general a minus b minus c is not equals to a minus b minus c. In general means कि इसमें कुछ exceptional cases होते हैं जिसमें हो सकता है कि equal हो, but in general it is not equal. ऐसा generally equal नहीं होता है. Okay students? So we can take some examples like 1. We can take example 8, 4 and 2. The value of a is 8, the value of b is 4 and the value of c is 2. So 8 minus 4 minus 2, here it will be 8 minus 4 minus 2. Now check the answers. 8 minus 4 is 4 minus 2, here it will be 8 minus 4, 8 minus within bracket 4 minus 2, so 2. Here it will be 6 and here it will be 2. Both the answers are not equal. Okay students? तो आपकी associative property नहीं hold करती है. For any two whole numbers a and b, a minus b is not equals to b minus a. That is commutative property. Now for any whole number a, we have a minus 0. But 0 minus a is not defined. a minus 0 है पर 0 minus a is not defined लिखा हुआ है. तो मैं समझाती हूँ what does it mean. a minus 0 it exists, but 0 minus a is not defined. Now what is this not defined? ये not defined क्या होता है? जब कोई नंबर होल नंबर है a, तो the value of a can be 1, 2, 3, 0, anything. So 2 minus 0 is 2. So that is a whole number. Now when can we do like this? 0 minus 2. तो जब 0 से 2 आप subtract करेंगे, the answer is minus 2. This is not a whole number. It is an integer. So when the answer is not the whole number, that means it is not defined. It do not holds. वो minus करने के बाद आपको whole number नहीं मिल रहा है. That is why 0 minus a in whole numbers is not defined. Okay, students. Now, I think all of you have understood the properties. Now, I am going to perform some questions from exercise 3C. This was the concept. Now, I will be explaining you the questions. So, please pay attention, students. So, the exercise 3C starts from page number 49. So, the first question is perform the following subtractions. Check your results by the corresponding additions. Now, what does this corresponding additions mean? ये corresponding additions मतलब क्या होता है? तो पहले आपको subtract करना है 6237 minus 694, right students? Now 6237 में से आप 694 को पहले subtract करेंगे. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 minus 9 is not possible. So carry will be taken. Now 13 minus 9 is 4. 1 minus 6 is not possible. Again carry will be taken. Here it will be 5. Here it will be 5. अब हम लोगों को ये चेक करना है कि whether our subtraction which we have done is correct or not. For that what we have to do? जो आपका result आता है, the answer, you have to add it to the addend. Addend पे आपको add करना है, यानी कि जिस नंबर को आपने इसमें add किया, that is called addend. So 5543 को आपको 694 में add करना है. If you will obtain this number written on the top, then your subtraction is correct. Right, students? So we all know that we have received that answer. Our answer is correct. That means the subtraction which we have performed is totally right. So students, now I am going to solve the third option of this question. First option and third option will be solved by me. Second and fourth will be your homework. So you are supposed to do that in your homework copy. So please pay attention, students. Now the third option is, the number is now we have to subtract this, right students? Now I am going to subtract it for you. So 0 minus 7 is not possible, carry will be taken. So I am taking the carry. So 10 minus 7, 3, 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 9, 0, 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 7, 2. And here it is 0. Now what we have to do? We have to check our answer. For that, 21013 will be added to 78987, right? 78987. Now I am going to add it for you. So yes, we have got the same answer, right students? That means our subtraction is correct. Now I am going to solve question number 2. So please pay attention, students. Question number 2 is replace each by the correct digit in each of the following. हम लोगों को कुछ numbers missing दिए हैं, that is also subtraction. तो हमें उसको replace करना है. We have to replace. So ये जो question number 2 है, इसे आप अपनी मैथ्स की बुक में ही कर सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बिकॉज देर इज स्पेस. ओके, सो रिप्लेस ईच एस्ट्रिक्स, ये जो स्टार होता है इसको एस्ट्रिक्स बोलते हैं, तो बाय करेक्ट डिजिट इन ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. सो फर्स्टली आई एम गोइंग टू डू द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. सो प्लीज पे अटेंशन स्टूडेंट्स. सो द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज 917. नाउ what are the blanks given to us? बीच में आपको 5 दिया है, यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. एंड दे हैव सब्ट्रैक्टेड एंड इन द आंसर व्हाट दे हैव गिवन 5 and 8. यहाँ पे आपको 5 मिला है, यहाँ 8 दिया है, बीच में आपका ब्लैंक है, राइट स्टूडेंट्स। नाउ अब आप चेक करेंगे 7 में से आप ऐसा क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे कि आपका 8 आ जाए। तो वी ऑल नो दैट कि 7 में से कुछ भी सब्ट्रैक्ट करने से 8 नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि 7 8 से छोटा है। दिस नंबर इज़ बिगर। जब आपका जो रिजल्ट है आपके क्वेश्चन से बड़ा होता है, देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू टेक द कैरी। अब आप 17 इसके आगे 1 ऐड कर देंगे, यानी कि आपने कैरी लिया है वहाँ पे। तो 17 में से आप क्या माइनस करेंगे कि आपका 8 आ जाए। सो वी ऑल नो दैट 17 - 9 इज 8। सो दिस ब्लैंक विल बी फिल्ड बाय 9। अब ये हमारा 17 हुआ है, दैट मीन्स दिस नंबर हैज़ टेकन कैरी फ्रॉम दिस नंबर। तो अब आपका कैरी लेने के बाद दिस इज 0। नाउ 0 - 5 इज नॉट पॉसिबल, सो दिस मस्ट हैव टेकन कैरी फ्रॉम दिस नंबर। सो दिस ये आपका 8 हो गया होगा। नाउ 0 विल बिकम 10। नाउ 10 - 5 इज 5। अब आप 8 में से क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे कि आपका 5 आ जाए। सो व्हाट डू वी सब्ट्रैक्ट, आप सीधे 8 में से 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट करिए। तो 8 में से 3 जब आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो आपका 5 आएगा। सो दिस इज द आंसर 558। यू हैव टू डू इट इन योर मैथ्स बुक। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व द सेकेंड ऑप्शन। इसका मैं सेकेंड ऑप्शन सॉल्व करने जा रही हूँ। अगर आप चाहें तो आप इस सब्ट्रैक्शन को चेक कर सकते हैं। 359 558। सो 9 + 8 is 17. Here it will be 11, 1 carry, then it will be 9. That means our subtraction is totally correct. Now I am going to solve the third option. Second and fourth will be your homework. So please pay attention. So the third option is having 500 1003, 500 1003. Now what are the blanks given now? 6987 is at the last. 6987. Now it is subtracted, and how many blanks are given in the answer? 484. Here it is 484. These 4 are blank and these 2 are blank. Now what we have to do? 3 में से 7 तो आपका जाएगा नहीं। Then what would have been happened? यहाँ पे कैरी लिया गया होगा, तो 3 बन गया होगा 13, और ये आपका 9 हुआ होगा, दिस ऑल्सो 9, एंड दिस वुड हैव बिकेम 0। एज पर द माइनस जो आप सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं 3 में से 7 पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो 3 आपका जब 13 बनेगा तो कैरी लिया जाएगा। तो आफ्टर टेकिंग द कैरीज, नाउ 13 - 7 इज 6, 9 - 8 इज 1, 9 - 9 इज 0, 0 - 6 इज नॉट पॉसिबल, सो अगेन दे मस्ट हैव टेकन कैरी। तो आपका यहाँ पे कैरी लेने के बाद क्या हो रहा है? Here it will be 0, this will become 10, right? So 10 - 6 is 4. 10 - 6 is 4. Now what is left? This is also 9 and this is also 9. तो 9 में से आप क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे कि आपका 4 आ जाए? So we all know that 5 will be subtracted. 9 में से आप क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे कि आपका 8 आए? So we all know that 1 will be subtracted. So now this missing number is also completed. Okay students. Now from this exercise find the difference. There is one more question, that is from question number 3. So let me check how many questions are left और हम लोगों को वो करने हैं या नहीं करने हैं. So students, now I'm going to check question number 3. The question number 3 is find the difference 463 - 9, right? तो आप लोगों को इसमें डिफरेंस निकालना है. तो 463 - 9, इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल. तो आप इसको नॉर्मली सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. राइट, 13 - 9 is 4. Here it will be 5 and here it will be 4. So we have got 454 as the answer. Now there are some more difference given in this exercise. 5632 - 99. This is the second option. You have to do these in your classwork copy. आपको 99 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. 2 - 9 is not possible. It will become 12. यहाँ आपका 3 हो जाएगा. Now 3 will become 2. This will become 5 and 2 will become 12. So 12 - 9 is 3. Here it will be 5. Here it will be 5. Right students? So now the missing digits Question number 2, option number 2nd, option number 4th, you are supposed to do in your homework copy. Question number 1 का आपका option number 2nd, option number 4 you are supposed to do in your होमवर्क कॉपी. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में आपके 2 ऑप्शंस और बचे हैं जो मैं आपको करवाने जा रही हूँ. यू आर सपोज टू डू इन योर क्लास वर्क कॉपी. सो प्लीज पे अटेंशन स्टूडेंट्स. $8,640 you have to subtract it from 999. Now 0 minus 9 is not possible, so carry must be taken, so it will become 1. 3 minus 9 is not possible, again carry will be taken. Now 13 minus 9 is 4, 5 minus 9 is not possible, again carry. So 15 minus 9 6, and here it will be 7,641. Now the fourth option is this is the fourth option, 9,999. We have to subtract. 6 minus 9 is not possible, so carry must be taken. This would have become 2. So 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7, right? Now 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0, 2 minus 9 is not possible, again carry. 12 minus 9 is 3. So this is the answer. So we have completed all the 4 options. So students, now you know what is your classwork, what is your homework. I am telling you again, so please pay attention and don't get confused. At the end of the video I will be clarifying it. Classwork, I have already done the questions which I have solved in the video. Homework will be question number 1, option 2, option 4. Question number 2, option 2, option number 4. So this is your homework, and the rest things which I have explained in video from exercise 3C you have to do in your classwork copy. I think you have understood well. If you have understood, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you students.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.